The keen medical student knows the early bird gets the worm, or the approval of her preceptor. Waiting for the rest of the team to arrive can take its toll. Students will often make the most of this time by preparing instruments, studying, reading, or meditating.
Oh, hey Jackie.
Yeah?
The next patient had water this morning. Is that going to be okay?
How much? How much do they have?
8 ounces.
8 ounces. And what time?
7 a.m.
7. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have to wait till my preceptor gets here.
Before operating, it is important to test out all medical equipment.
Hey Jackie.
To survive in the wild, medical students must develop a wide variety of skills. For a more complete story of rural medical students, why not visit RPAP?